What's going on, everybody? It's the old Mongo Man out here, walking over to KJ's building. Sunday, freshly out of church. Beautiful day out here, at least it looks like it, right? It's awful chilly, though. You see I got the Carports on already. It is sometime around October 8th, I think, October 9th, something like that. But we've been awful busy here. Kids, KJ and Seth, George, we're all over and did a whole bunch of work on racking. We came across a deal that couldn't pass up, one of those deals for the racking in KJ's garage here. You can see here, this is the old racking that I had cut up. Now that's what they call structural racking, so it actually will support a building. And as you can see, it is a 3-inch channel. Well, what we came across was a bunch of racking there that is what they call teardrop racking. And that teardrop racking has cross members and everything else that came with it. If we did use the structural racking that I had cut up, we would have had to have cut a whole bunch more cross members up. So rather than go through all that pain, we decided to just go ahead and get this racking that we come across and go ahead and use it. This is what that looks like installed. There are 4 bays there. The bays are about 9'8" apart. So the beams between the green uprights, the orange beams are 9'8", I think. And I'm telling you, it's like this racking was built for the shop. These uprights were originally 18 foot tall, and the guys cut the tops off of them to match. And George welded that little angle in there to match. Gives it a lot more strength, makes it look a whole lot better. And we really didn't need the very top of that. We didn't necessarily 100% need it, but it does make it look better. Makes it look like it's part of the shop. As you can tell, we got the gray painted. Which I think makes things look a lot better as well. Now KJ has decided to use the bottom rack, as you can see here, under his bench, that little, little shelf. And Seth over on that side is not real sure what he wants to do, but right now he's gonna go without it. We have enough stuff to put another shelf in over there for him. But like he said, right now, we're just gonna fly without it. And as you can see, that big gap between the 2 wire decks, KJ has enough that we're going to cut some wire decks up and fit that in there as well. So all I got left to do here really is to get all these stickers off the face of this, which isn't going to be terrible. And then this will be all done. I have got to start the wiring portion of this project. That's next. We're going to do some cleanup work here, hopefully today or tomorrow. We're not real sure when, but get things cleaned up. And then move on with that next part. I am meeting a guy there Wednesday. Look at where we're going to put the electric service, where it's going to come into the building. Give me some guidance on, how I'm wiring things up and whatnot. So, all right. We do already have the fans. The fans have come in. The lights, I've got 12 high bay LEDs that are going to go in here. Those should be here Wednesday, as well as KJ's pegboard. We're going to put a section of pegboard over here above the bench that I built and see what that looks like. But yeah, I've got to do a little touch up. I got a little carried away there with some of the gray, but it is what it is. We'll get that taken care of. The last video, boy, it didn't do very well. And all it was pretty much the same thing as I'm doing now, just talking to the camera, not a whole lot of action going on. But it's kind of hard to get out here when the guys are out here working, or when I'm out here painting. I figured you guys really didn't want to see us painting, so we just got done what we had to get done and give you a little update there as we can get it done. So yeah, hopefully next time we'll get some electrical work here on video for you guys. Let's just see what's going on with that and moving right along. All right, nice short little video for Sunday. We'll see y'all later. Mongo Man is out.